Hi, I'm job search expert Rick Gillis. Welcome to Get a Job, brought to you by HCC TV. I want to present to you an overview on the successful interview. And there's some really important stuff here, and some of the stuff I shouldn't have to tell you, but I'm going to. Number one is maintaining a company list. You should keep a name, the name of the company, the job title, and the date that you've applied for every job that you apply to. This is important stuff. So many people don't bother to do this. Another very important part of your preparing for interview is deep research. You have to know something about the company going in. I hear all the time from recruiters that tell me they're disgusted with people coming in and say, what is it you guys do here? I want you to start with Google. That's easy. I want you to consider Glassdoor.com, a fairly new website, but it's really good practical advice. And one of my favorites is BusinessWeek.com. You can look up any public company there, and actually a lot of private companies. I want to strongly recommend that you go look up a company's SEC 10K. That's their Securities Exchange Commission report. They're required to submit this annually. You get to learn a lot about the company in there. I will warn you, it's mind-numbing reading, but it's very important stuff. I'd like to also recommend you look at their annual reports. Annual reports are also very busy, but remember, they're glossed over. They have good information, but they're glossed over. Hoovers.com is another website that's incredibly rich with all kinds of information on websites. On the web for the purpose of gathering information on the companies you're going to be interviewing with. There's also several other similar business databases you might want to look into. Google those. I'd like to also recommend that you look at the company's website. The company's website has an enormous amount of information if you'll spend time looking at it. And I would even suggest that includes the jobs and careers section of that website, because you get a great overview of what it is they're looking for, the kind of maybe look at their future goals. Another thing is I'd like to recommend that you look at their press releases. Look at all the press releases for the last year or so. You'll learn a lot about the company, where they're going, the direction they're heading. Next, I'd like to talk to you about your taking questions into the interview. And I'm going to tell you, every recruiter's ever told me, I already said this once, but the value of questions, your questions that you take into the company, cannot be overstated. Ask about the company and the industry. Ask about the job specifically. What happened to the person who was there previously? Learn more about them. And another thing you can do is just Google, in quotes, interview questions. Google has an enormous amount of information available to you. Now, something else I'd like to talk to you about that I really hate even bringing up, but it's so important because so many people don't bother: professional appearance. If you get a chance to go by the company the day before or a week before and see how the people dress, take that in perspective and then dress a little bit better than that. I want you to remember the interview begins in the parking lot. That person you just cut off for that amazingly great parking space next to the elevator, you're going to interview with that person in the next 20 minutes. I guarantee it. It's Murphy's Law. I want you to remember to respect the receptionist. Receptionists are power players. You don't know how many jobs have been lost because their boss comes out and asks the receptionist, how did he treat you? Well, he was a jerk. Oh, that's too bad. I like the guy. Okay, pass on him. Well, who's next? Happens all the time. I want you to remember that interviews, by their nature, are confrontational. That's not a bad thing. It is the way it is. Be prepared. Confidence is the name of the game. Remember that by being interviewed to an interview, you're 75% there. They like you. They're not going to waste their time on you unless, that you've already made an impression. So the next thing and the last thing I'd like to leave you with right now is don't ever forget to ask for the job. Ask for the job. Did I happen to say ask for the job? I mean it. It's that serious. People do not understand it is so important to ask for the job. Nobody does it.